Hello everybody, welcome back to another ServiceWorks video tutorial. My name is Will Freeman and today we'll be talking about exporting your customer list. So maybe you want to submit your customer information into another program. Maybe you have some sort of email system with automatic emails that you want to take your customer emails from, and you just want that information of your customers in an Excel file. This is how you do that. So you click on customers after you hover over customers, and then you click export. And when you press export, you generate an Excel file. So it loads down here at the bottom. I already downloaded it, so I've got it up in my Excel right now. And so it just creates a list of all of your customers with all of your emails and phone numbers and addresses right here in an Excel file. So that's how you export your customer list. Thanks for watching.